Welcome to Technicsy, the channel where we discuss the latest trends and news in the world of technology. Are you struggling to Instagram followers effectively? In this video, I'm going to share how to increase Instagram followers. So let's start. Here are some general tips. 1. Define your niche. Decide what your account is going to be about and stick to it. This will help you attract followers who are interested in your content. 2. Optimize your profile. Make sure your bio is clear, concise, and includes keywords that describe your niche. Use a profile picture that represents your brand and makes you stand out. 3. Post consistently. You don't have to post every day, but try to establish a regular posting schedule so your followers know when to expect new content. 4. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to get your content in front of people who are interested in your niche. Use relevant and popular hashtags in your posts to increase visibility. 5. Engage with other users. Follow, like, and comment on other users' posts to increase your visibility and attract new followers. 6. Host giveaways and contests. Hosting a giveaway or contest is a great way to attract new followers and engage with your current audience. 7. Collaborate with other accounts. Partnering with other accounts in your niche can help you reach new followers and increase your visibility. 8. Use Instagram ads. Instagram ads can be a great way to increase your reach and attract new followers. You can target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. 9. Analyze your performance. Use Instagram's built-in analytics tool to track your performance and identify areas where you can improve. By following these tips consistently and engaging with your audience, you should be able to increase your Instagram followers over time. Remember that building a following takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. And if you want to increase Instagram followers through app, then here are some apps that can help you. Turbo Followers is one of the best apps for increasing Instagram followers. 02 It has been developed for both the Android and iOS platforms, allowing users to gain new followers without paying for them with money. Additionally, Get Insta and Get Insta Followers Gallery are also great apps that can be used to boost Instagram followers quickly and easily.